Do you want to know why 90% of dropshippers actually fail in the first month? The answer might surprise you. It's not about picking bad products or even running bad ads. So today I'm breaking down the real reasons why most dropshipping stores crash and burn, and I'm also going to show you how you're not going to be one of those statistics. Hi guys, my name's Des from the Ecom Corner. I've analysed thousands of stores, and I tell you what, I see the same mistakes being made over and over again. So let's dive into the questions that I get on a daily basis about dropshipping and also show you not to make the same mistakes. The game has fundamentally changed. Now look, I get it. The likes of Temu and even AliExpress are actually advertising their products on Google Shopping. But what I will say is it leaves you a lot of opportunity if you do things in the right way. If you're really smart about this and you go about brand building instead of just flogging any sort of products that you see, you'll do really well in this business. The key here is to pick a particular niche, and then what you're going to do is you're going to add unique value and also curate that product like no one else is doing. And guys, you know what the biggest failure is? It's actually trying to run the business like it's a passive business. You can't run it like a passive business. Dropshipping is a real business. You're dealing with real people, and you can't just treat it like it's a hobby. It is a business that is a serious business where you're taking money and you're exchanging the money for products. And I know what the problem is, guys. You're seeing a lot of videos that tell you that you can actually get rich quick, and you really can't. So I'm going to tell you now is what the new dropshippers miss, and this is one thing that you don't want to do. So they fail to do any proper market research at all, and they also don't do any proper financial planning. And instead of building really strong relationships with their suppliers, they just go with anybody that's, I don't know, offering the product the cheapest. So let me show you the dropshippers that have done really well. They start off with a proper business plan and at least 3 months of operational capital. The key difference is professional development and strategic planning. So let me tell you what most people won't tell you. Starting a successful dropshipping business actually means creating a brand around the business. You want to give great customer service, and you want to be as efficient as possible. And guys, what you want to do is you want to maintain quality with your products. The moment your products dip in quality, your customers are going to notice this and they won't purchase anything else from you. The bottom line is successful dropshippers aren't just chasing fast profits. They're actually building a real business and a real brand. And what I advise a lot of my clients to do, especially if they're just starting out, is to use really decent platforms by the likes of Spocket or AppScenic. These are platforms that are set up and designed to maintain the quality, give really great customer service, and it makes your life so much easier. Guys, what I will do is I'll actually leave a link in the description if you want to try those out. A few of them have actually got a free trial. Try it out, see what you think. And if you do actually get on well with them, come back to this video and leave a comment in the video. And just remember guys, dropshipping isn't dead, it's just evolving. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, I'd really love you to join my free community called the Ecom Network. Hey there e-commerce entrepreneurs. Are you looking to level up your online store with AI and automation? Then you need to join our free community on school.com. The Ecom Network is your go-to hub for cutting-edge AI strategies, time-saving automation tips, exclusive live Q&As, and a supportive network of fellow store owners. And best of all, it's completely free to join. So head on over to the Ecom Network on School and click the join group to get started. Let's grow together in the Ecom Network. And if you're new to dropshipping, you really want to watch my next video, which is what is dropshipping and how does it actually work. In that video, I break down everything that you need in order to get started.